Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to understand how and why verification exists before you act. Apple Cash links to banking rails and must meet KYC and tax rules, so you cannot lawfully skip it. Start by checking your Apple ID settings and the specific verification prompts. This explains what documents are acceptable. Once you confirm the required items, gather them, driver license, SSN last 4, or other listed proof, and prepare to submit through Apple's secure flow to avoid delays. Follow the official, documented process inside Wallet to submit verification. That's the how. Why? Because Apple routes those documents to compliance systems that check authenticity. Bypassing them risks account suspension. Make sure your ID images are sharp and match your Apple ID name. Blurry or mismatched details slow approval. If you don't have standard documents, contact Apple support. They can explain alternative proofs or steps to restore access legally, so you don't compromise your account. Complete the flow by submitting everything and watching Wallet for status updates. Approvals often arrive within days. If verification is rejected, read the rejection reason, correct the highlighted problem, and resubmit. Often a name mismatch or unclear photo is the cause. If you still have trouble, contact Apple support directly with your case details and documents. They can escalate or suggest lawful alternatives like linking a verified bank card or using a different account. Avoid attempts to circumvent the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.